India's armed forces are flexing integrated muscle on two fronts. On the western frontier, Exercise Trishul, a major tri-services drill led by the Indian Navy, it is underway to test full spectrum of joint operations. At the same time, high in the eastern Himalayas, the three services are staging Exercise Purvi Prachand Prahar in Mechuka to sharpen mountain warfare and multi-domain synergy. We bring you both the stories, what's being tested, why it matters, and the message India is sending. Named Trishul, this tri-service exercise is a large-scale rehearsal of integrated operations across land, sea and air, from desert flats to coastal marshes. The Navy is leading with sizable participation from the Army and the Air Force to practice deep strikes, logistic innovations and electromagnetic operations. Planners are emphasizing multi-domain action, precision long-range strikes, counter-drone layers, spectrum dominance and survival logistics under contested conditions. A rehearsal for high-intensity contingencies.
Trishul isn't just drills, it's validation of joint command and the ability to synchronize sea-based firepower with land maneuver and air interdiction.
At Mechuka, Arunachal Pradesh, Purvi Prachand Prahar is a tri-service demonstration of mountain warfare, rapid mobilization and networked operations under harsh, high-altitude conditions. It brings together special forces, aviation assets, unmanned platforms and precision weapons to test real-time sharing of battlefield intelligence. The emphasis is to operate seamlessly across land, air and maritime domains, even in oxygen-thin terrain, validating integrated command and control logistics at altitude and sustainment for prolonged operations. Analysts say exercise like this sharpen readiness along the line of actual control.
Mountain operations demand perfect sync between sensors, aerial lift and ground maneuver. Exercise in Mechuka makes the troops practice and under stress conditions testing the man-machine limits in high altitude.
Why two simultaneous tri-service exercises? Because modern warfare is multi-front and multi-domain. Practicing coordinated responses across deserts, sea and mountain tests doctrine, logistics and command architecture and sends a clear deterrent message to the adversaries. The quick takeaways: scale and scope. Trishul is a large Western theatre tri-service drill focusing on deep strike and EM operations. Purvi Prachand Prahar horns joint warfighting in eastern highlands. Multi-domain focus. Both exercises lay stress on drones, EW network, C2 and special operations, reflecting the future battlefield. Message: operational readiness and deterrence. India demonstrates the ability to fight and sustain joint operations across its strategic depth. Two theatres, one objective: a seamless integrated fighting force ready for challenges of tomorrow. Exercise Trishul and Purvi Prachand Prahar are not just drills, they are rehearsal for multi-domain war fighting and a statement of India's operational maturity. From the deserts to the Himalayas, India is practicing to meet any contingency.